Welcome to East Sussex and my allotment. Weather-wise, it's been very cold, with each morning starting with a frost. On the plot, the frost has taken longer to disperse, which has affected the completion of the lasagna bed on raised bed 14. Not a problem, as after filming the basketball game on Sunday, the shots had to be downloaded and edited for issue, and there was rather a lot of them because I recorded the full match. The campus at ACS was very impressive, not least the sports hall, which justifies probably the 46k yearly fees to attend this school. But the most important fact about the match was Brighton Cougars won 54-58, which reflects an even contest. Onions are doing well and require moving on into larger soil blocks. Not having adequate facilities at home, I've mixed the compost in the polytunnel, which I have videoed many times, but the first time using this method on onions. I did these on the site. I warmed up the water and then I brought them here. I didn't have a problem because it was cold, because of the urgency of it yesterday. I spent time, got it done as quickly as possible. Didn't set up the cameras or anything like that. Just this row here, of 4 here. You can see they're the only ones that didn't really come out. They're still usable, but they're not as solid as the rest. And there's 40 here. So what we do now is we pull those out, and this now should just fit in that square there. Okay. Pull out the weaker of the two. Oh look, roots. So I reckon that these are probably I've just got them at the right time. What we will do now with these seedlings is take them to the plot, put them in the small greenhouse within the polytunnel, tend and cosset them with the occasional drink of water, and then wait for the second flush of leaves to appear, which is a signal to pop them on. I did mention a couple of weeks back I needed to trim the grass path as its length is stopping the gates from opening, and therefore at the first opportunity, for the sake of our access, was a deterrent. And the second gate is now clear and working fine. I also cleared the grass near the compost bin, also to give me clear access in putting the compost on the lasagna bed. Another item on access was the dump bag of woodchip and the incomplete state of the last stage of the rabbit fence and an unfinished gate. And at the first opportunity, the lasagna bed was completed and covered over with black fabric. You will have observed I reverted back to my original thumbnail style. I did not know that there is a limit on the number of posts of a playlist, so I divided the allotment section into individual years. Removing this issue allowed me to use the original template. Comments in general though liked the logo, but I had some mixed or indifferent responses to the alternative thumbnail I presented. And what I've learnt is 1. Simplicity is the key. Less is more. 2. Only a single message in a single font. As not central, it will be masked by the Google arrow logo. And 3. Not to use a screen dump from the video, the background, but photograph a special shot or use a free photo off the internet. And 4. If one does not have design skills, use a free template such as Canva. And I must point out, as commented to me, other sites are available. Resulting from discussions with interested allotment friends who have stated searching for my channel on their devices has not been easy, I have renamed my channel as Allotment UK. Let's Get Digging, though catchy, is used by at least 4 or 5 other YouTubers. Anyway, time will tell. Every year at this time, the electric company decide to dig up the road just outside the entrance, and this year they've excelled themselves, but the workmen could select a better way of parking their vans. Very difficult to see the traffic lights change at either end. Time to clear up and pack away end of another week. Let's hope for some good weather next week. Must get that gate built. That's on the job. I need some more wood chip, and I certainly need some more horse manure. So let's see what it brings. So thank you for watching, and if you've liked, a thumbs up would be nice, and if not already done so, please subscribe, and for further notifications please ring that bell. But for now, take care. Until next time, bye.